In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to generate sales tax reports in Xero. We'll walk through the process step by step, ensuring you can confidently access and understand your sales tax obligations using Xero. So let's get started by first heading over to the Xero website. Once there, log into your account using your credentials. If you're already familiar with navigating Xero's interface, you'll feel right at home. After logging in, you'll find yourself on the main dashboard. Your next move is to locate the accounting menu on the top navigation bar. Click on that and a drop-down will appear. From this drop-down, you'll want to select Reports. This is where Xero organizes its numerous financial reports, including the one we're interested in today. Now that you're in the Reports section, scroll until you find the Taxes category. Depending on your region, you might see this report listed as a sales tax report, VAT report, GST report, or simply a tax report. Go ahead and click on the applicable report to open it up. This is where you'll be able to dig into the details of your sales tax data. Once you have your report open, the next step is to choose the reporting period. Xero provides flexibility here, allowing you to select a reporting timeframe that suits your needs, whether it's monthly, quarterly, annually, or even a custom date range. You'll use the date range filters to specify this. Now, if your tax filing requirements necessitate it, you might need to customize the report settings. This step is optional, but valuable for those who prefer a more tailored report. Choose between an accrual or cash basis, depending on what aligns with your accounting method. Additionally, you can filter by specific tax rates, accounts, or even regions to hone in on the exact information you need. Viewing the report now will present you with a clear breakdown of your sales tax collected, any tax paid on purchases, and the net tax amount that is either payable or refundable. This view gives you a snapshot of your tax standing in a very digestible format. Finally, when you're ready to keep a record or process the details, you have the option to export the report. Xero allows you to export to PDF, Excel, or Google Sheets, offering flexibility depending on how you manage your documentation. Additionally, for those in certain regions, Xero even supports direct electronic filings with your tax authority, which can save you significant time and effort. And there you have it, a comprehensive guide through generating sales tax reports in Xero. With these steps, you'll be able to efficiently manage your sales tax processes, ensuring compliance and accuracy in your financial reporting. Thanks for watching, and I hope this walkthrough has been helpful. Be sure to subscribe to stay updated with more helpful Xero tips and tutorials.